The stars above have always fascinated us, like tiny glowing whispers of the unknown. But what if I told you that among those twinkling lights, there might be something more, something beyond just distant worlds? What if we're not alone? Imagine a universe where planets orbit suns far away, hosting life forms unimaginable to our human eyes. For years, scientists have been looking for signs of alien life in the cosmos, driven by an eternal question: are we truly alone in this vast expanse of space and time? Let's start with something simple yet profound: our own planet Earth. It took billions of years for life to emerge here, evolving from tiny single-celled organisms into complex beings like us. But what if similar conditions elsewhere could lead to the same or even different forms of life? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has been ongoing since the 1960s, driven by this very curiosity. In recent years, new technologies have allowed astronomers to discover thousands of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system. Some are in what scientists call the habitable zone, where conditions might be just right for life as we know it, or even something entirely different. But how can we possibly find signs of alien life on worlds so far away? One way is by looking at their atmospheres. Just like a fingerprint reveals unique characteristics, an exoplanet's atmosphere holds clues about its composition and potential inhabitants. If scientists detect certain gases, such as oxygen or methane, it might indicate biological activity. Another approach involves listening for signals from intelligent civilizations. Projects like the SETI Institute scan the skies with powerful telescopes, searching for radio waves that could be artificial in origin, messages from distant stars. But what if life on other planets isn't based on carbon and water as we know them? What if it's something entirely different, using completely foreign chemistry or biology? This is where things get really intriguing. Scientists have even proposed the idea of, in the vast expanse of our universe, we find ourselves asking a question that has echoed through time: are we alone? This isn't just a philosophical inquiry, it's at the heart of cosmology. Cosmology is the study of the origin and evolution of the entire universe. But today, as scientists delve deeper into space, they're uncovering hints of what could be truly revolutionary. Imagine for a moment that you're gazing up at the night sky, counting stars so numerous it's almost beyond comprehension. Each one, a sun in its own right, potentially harboring planets capable of supporting life. This is the cosmic stage we find ourselves on. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes this question so compelling. The core concept revolves around something called the Drake equation. It was formulated by astronomer Frank Drake back in 1961 as part of his search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. The equation looks like this: n equals r backslash asterisk times fp times ne times fl times phi times fc times l, where n is the number of civilizations in our galaxy with which communication might be possible. R backslash asterisk is the average rate of star formation per year in our galaxy. Fp is the fraction of those stars that have planets. Ne is the average number of planets that can potentially support life for each star with planets. Fl is the fraction of these planets where life actually arises. Phi is the fraction of life-sustaining planets on which intelligent life emerges. Fc is the fraction of civilizations that develop a technology to emit detectable signs of their existence into space, and L is the length of time such civilizations release detectable signals into space. Each variable in this equation represents a layer of complexity. Star formation rates give us an idea of how many stars are being born each year. The presence of planets suggests potential habitats for life. But the real magic happens when we consider the emergence and evolution of life itself, especially intelligent life in the vast expanse of space, among stars that twinkle like distant dreams. A question has lingered for centuries: are we alone? For years, scientists have been piecing together clues about the universe. We've discovered countless planets orbiting other stars, or exoplanets, and learned more about our own solar system than ever before. Imagine peering through a telescope into the night sky, spotting distant worlds with alien landscapes. These new discoveries challenge us to rethink what life might look like beyond Earth. Could these places host not just rocks and dust but entire ecosystems teeming with life? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence has become one of humanity's most intriguing quests. But why does this matter so much? Why are we so driven to find out if there's something, or someone, out there among the stars? Well, understanding our place in the cosmos can change how we see ourselves and each other. It might make us realize that we're not alone, perhaps life has found a way on countless worlds. Scientists have developed new tools and techniques to hunt for signs of alien life. They use powerful telescopes to analyze light from distant stars, searching for patterns that could indicate the presence of an atmosphere or even hints of biological activity. Some are scanning signals from space hoping to catch a message from another civilization. These efforts reveal just how interconnected we might be within this vast universe. So today, as we step into this episode, we're going on a journey through time and space. We'll explore the mysteries that lie beyond our own world, uncovering clues about whether life exists elsewhere in the cosmos. This isn't just an academic exercise, it's a quest for human connection, reaching out to others who might be watching back at us from far away. We're looking into the depths of space with fresh eyes and open minds, ready to discover what secrets lie hidden among the stars. Are we truly alone in this universe? Or is there more life waiting just beyond our reach in the vast expanse of the cosmos? We find ourselves standing at a crossroads. For centuries, humans have gazed into the night sky with wonder and intrigue. We've asked questions that have been as old as time itself. Are we alone? Is there life out there beyond our world? To answer these age-old queries, let's take a step back and look at what modern cosmology has to say about the possibility of alien life. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is no longer just science fiction, it's becoming an urgent scientific endeavor. First, consider this: every second of every day, astronomers are discovering new exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, that orbit other stars in distant parts of the universe. These planets vary widely in size and composition, each one a potential candidate for hosting life as we know, or don't know, it to be. Now imagine Earth. Our home planet is teeming with a staggering variety of life forms, from microscopic bacteria to towering trees and intelligent creatures like us. This diversity suggests that if the conditions are right, life could emerge in many different ways across the cosmos. So why do scientists believe there might be other planets where life exists? One key factor is the presence of liquid water, often considered a prerequisite for known forms of life. Water is crucial because it allows molecules to dissolve and react freely, facilitating chemical processes necessary for biological functions. Another important aspect is energy sources. Just like plants on Earth use sunlight to grow through photosynthesis, other alien organisms might harness different types of radiation or chemical reactions unique to their environment. The diversity in potential habitats means that life could take many forms we can't even imagine yet. Let's dive a bit deeper into the current state of our search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. SETI projects like the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence Institute use powerful telescopes and radio signals to scan the cosmos, listening for any signs of artificial transmissions that might indicate intelligent life. The Drake equation. Now that we've explored the fascinating world of cosmology, let's delve into some real-world implications. Understanding alien life can have profound effects on how we view ourselves, our place in the universe, and even how we make decisions. Firstly, consider the impact on science and technology. The discovery of extraterrestrial life could revolutionize many fields. For instance, studying different forms of life might provide us with new insights into biology and medicine. We could learn from alien organisms that live under extreme conditions perhaps unimaginable here on Earth. This knowledge could lead to breakthroughs in biotechnology and pharmaceutical research. Moreover, the search for alien life can drive advancements in space exploration technology. To better detect signs of extraterrestrial life, we need sophisticated tools like advanced telescopes and spacecraft. These technologies not only help us find other habitable planets but also push the boundaries of what humans are capable of achieving beyond our planet. Another implication is on environmental awareness. If we learn that life exists elsewhere in the universe, it might make us think more deeply about Earth's uniqueness and fragility. This realization could spur greater efforts to protect our own environment from destruction or pollution. After all, if there's only one planet known for supporting complex life forms, maybe ours is it. Philosophically speaking, discovering alien intelligence would challenge some of the fundamental beliefs we hold. It might raise questions about what defines life and intelligence. Does consciousness exist in other forms? These thoughts could lead to new philosophical debates and even changes in religious or spiritual practices among different cultures around the world. On a more practical level, finding evidence of alien life can affect politics and international relations. Imagine if nations collaborate on projects aimed at detecting extraterrestrial signals or sending probes to nearby planets. Such cooperation would strengthen global alliances and create shared goals that transcend national boundaries. Economically too, this could have significant impacts. The space industry might boom with increased funding for missions exploring other worlds. New industries related as we've journeyed through the vast cosmos, exploring the mysteries of alien life. One question lingers: are we truly alone? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has been a thrilling quest that challenges our understanding of the universe and ourselves. We've examined ancient signals, scrutinized distant stars, and even listened to the whispers of radio waves in hopes of finding a signal that might mean something. But as we reflect on this journey, it's important to consider what lies ahead. The search for alien life is not just about discovering new worlds or decoding mysterious messages, it's also an exploration of our own existence. We're looking into whether the conditions that gave rise to us are common in the universe or perhaps exceedingly rare. One fascinating aspect of this quest is how it has transformed our perspective on intelligence itself. The idea that life could manifest in countless forms, each with its unique way of communicating and surviving, this realization challenges our assumptions about what constitutes life and intelligence. It forces us to expand our definitions beyond the narrow scope of human experience. Moreover, delving into SETI has given us a profound sense of purpose. By searching for alien life, we are not just participating in an academic exercise, we're engaging with one of the most fundamental questions humanity can ask: are there other intelligent beings out there? And if so, what does that mean for our place in the grand scheme of things? The implications are far-reaching. If we find evidence of extraterrestrial life, it could fundamentally alter how we view ourselves and our role in the universe. It might lead us to reevaluate our ethics towards other living beings on Earth or even our responsibilities within the galaxy. On a more personal level, this search for alien intelligence can be deeply motivating. Each new discovery, whether a faint signal or an unexpected find, is a reminder that there's so much we don't know and so much left to explore. It keeps us curious and eager to push the growth as a ladder, not a leap. Subscribe and keep climbing.